Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the process of shipping products from China to your place. Whether you're a small business owner looking to import products or just interested in the logistics of international shipping, this video is for you. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, so let's dive in. Step number 1. Choose a logistics provider. The first step in shipping products from China is to choose a logistics provider. There are several providers that offer shipping services from China to your country. Do your research and compare different providers to find one that fits your needs. Number 2, provide shipping details. Once you have chosen a logistics provider, you will need to provide them with the shipping details. This includes the destination address, the weight and dimensions of the package, and any other relevant information. Make sure to double-check all the information to avoid any mistakes or delays. Step number 3, choose a shipping method. There are several shipping methods available, including air freight, sea freight, and express delivery. The method you choose will depend on factors such as the size and weight of the package, the urgency of the delivery, and the cost. Do some research and consult with your logistics provider to determine the best shipping method for your needs. Step number 4, pay for shipping. You will need to pay for the shipping costs and any other fees associated with the shipment, such as customs fees and taxes. Make sure to factor in these costs when determining the overall cost of your shipment.
Step number 5, track your shipment once your package has been shipped. You can track its progress using the tracking number provided by the logistics provider. This allows you to stay informed and make any necessary arrangements to receive the package. Step number 6, receive the package. Once your package arrives in your country, it will be delivered to the destination address provided. Make sure to inspect the package and ensure that it has arrived in good condition. If there are any issues or damages, make sure to contact your logistics provider as soon as possible. And there you have it. That's a general overview of the process of shipping products from China to your place. By following these steps and doing your research, you can confidently import products and grow your business. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content, like the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Shipping Products from China. Hit the bell icon to stay updated and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.